Right. Shout out to all the niggas on the block, the niggas in prison, C. Joe Mafia, Roho, Red Manor, Black, and all the boys on the K Hill, Cul-de-sac, Ice. You don't know we chillin'. You don't know we thinking about this. We gonna make this IMMG music soon to be. You don't know soon.
Got my mind right on that money, yeah, I'm hella focused. I'm killing these beats, let me hang them making start spitting explosions. Yeah, that's the vibe until success doors open. We brought the camera just in case the ops posing. So it ain't shit to leave a nigga wherever he posted. So much on music that it's safe to say the lion chosen. So underrated that if I make it, must let me open. My success gon' be deeper than the fucking ocean. Even if you winning proms, bro, you gotta keep it tough. Cause that snake would kill you, cause it hit the fuck you up. That's why my circle be on small, yeah. A handful of niggas that just grind until we ball. Yeah, me and my brothers up. Yeah, I am him, but I ain't gays. Back in the day, she was passing me straight. Now I got kids all over her face. I need some M's up in the safe. I'm all about God's, I don't know what's breaks. He said he great, he need a break. I've been in the kitchen, got music creating. Yeah, these niggas hating, but I do not blame them. Yeah, because the shit I be dropping hotter than sin. Yeah, I gotta keep reminding niggas why I'm the greatest. Like some hoes, they just out here steady trip. Yeah, cause somebody remind them to tell it lives. Like a grenade, one day we gotta blow. And I love the way she ride a nigga, so I named the pro. And every time I pull up to the crib, she never have no clothes. Street the pussy girl, no, she out here coming back for more. She love the way I be doing the beat. I love what she be doing on her knees. Young nigga freaky, young nigga nasty. I told a bitch I'm with it for real. He on the neck, let me hear a G. Caught him in public, that nigga freeze. That nigga soft, he ain't for real. That nigga soft, he ain't for real. Watch out for the rats when you get a cheese. When I was done, you wouldn't come around. Know that I'm up, still where you be. Bitch, I be ballin' with on the cleats. If you talking rap, well in my hood, I got the keys to the streets. Yeah. I ain't even gotta keep going, like, the beat is dead, man. I got a hook for y'all, man. Look, hold up. Hey. Brand new Cuban like you hide the drip sauce. Why these man they moving like they cops? They ain't finna like it when I on top. No, they wanna hit me up like I am pop. He came to a gun fight and tried to pop. Now his eyes lying in the box. 40 knock that nigga right out of his sock. And this ain't no guitar, bitch, this a Glock. He said he was finna pull up. I was like, pull up. That nigga didn't even show up.
Oh, ass nigga.
Remember to subscribe and follow.